Good afternoon. I want to explain you what is smart switch. Smart switch is PIR motion sensor, pyroelectric infrared motion sensor. It is used in house, in industry, in hospital, in offices where the motion is there. When the people move around, the light switches on automatically. When they go out, the light switches off automatically. It is used in ATM, balcony, lobby, terrace, especially toilet, everywhere, corridor where the motion of the people is there. For example, this is a ceiling mounted 360-degree motion sensor. You can see the sensor is fitted on the ceiling and it will sense 360-degree and a diameter of 10 feet. When the people come, the light will be on, and when they go, the light will be off after a predefined time. You can set the timing from 5 seconds to 30 minutes. You can also set the lux. Means if you set the lux, you don't want it to operate in the daytime, it will be working only in the evening time. It will be saving the electricity in the daytime. It also has the sensitivity knob so that when the cat or a mouse or the bird will come, it will not be on. But when a dog of 20 kilo or a human being will come, it will be on. So you can program it like this. It is very easy to install. This one is the same product but wall mounted. It will sense 120-degree angle and from a distance of 12 meter. When the people will come from a distance of 12 meter, it will be on. This one is the 120-degree wall mounted outdoor smart switch or PIR motion sensor with built-in halogen light. When the people will come, the light will be on from a distance of 12 meter. And it will, you see, it will save the energy also. For example, if this one or this one or this one, you connect a 500 watt load, in 1 hour it consumes 2.5 rupees. In 10 hours a day it consumes 25 rupees. In 24 days a month it consumes 600 rupees of electricity. But the duty cycle of PIR motion sensor is 25%. So it saves 75% electricity. The bill will be only 150 rupees and you will be saving 450 rupees a month. So product will be almost free in 3 months time. It is very much useful in nowadays green buildings and house. Thank you.